In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a drop-down list in Excel. Let's get started. We'll utilize a brief survey to illustrate how straightforward it is to craft a drop-down menu. These steps can be applied to establish a list for any data you require. First, let's examine how to create an extended drop-down list with numerous alternatives. For this instance, we'll employ the months of the year as our choices for the initial question. Next, we'll explore something slightly different. I'll show you a method to establish a concise drop-down list with just two choices, yes and no. These will serve as potential responses to our second question. But let's start from the beginning. The response to the initial question will be a specific month of the year. So if you wish to create a drop-down menu with numerous possibilities, it might be advantageous to generate the list elsewhere, such as on a separate spreadsheet. I've personally added a new sheet named Months and created a list of months that will be utilized for our drop-down menu. Now let's return to the survey spreadsheet and formulate our first drop-down list. Click inside the cell where you want to create the drop-down menu. Next, go to the Data tab, select Data Tools, and pick the Data Validation option. In the dialog box that appears, locate the Settings section and opt for List from the menu. Now you must indicate to Excel where to find the data for the drop-down list. Click on the icon to the right of the source field. Here, we'll navigate to the Months sheet and select all the months we want to include in the list. Hit Enter and you've established the contents of your drop-down list. Click OK and you're all set. The Your Answer column now features a drop-down list from which you can select your preferred month. Once you've established the list, you can only choose from the options you've defined. If anyone attempts to input a different choice, Excel will not permit it. Now let's proceed and learn how to design a compact drop-down menu comprising just two choices. We'll focus on the second question, where your answer will contain only yes or no. As you're already aware, the initial step is to choose the cell where you want to create the drop-down list. Then navigate to the Data tab, choose Data Tools, and find Data Validation. Again, choose the List option, but this time simply type the two words yes and no into the box separated by a comma. Once both options are entered, click OK, and you're all done. You've successfully crafted a straightforward drop-down list. If you're interested in learning how to modify the drop-down menu, alter the options, or delete the list altogether, stay tuned for our upcoming tutorial.